This is a tin-glazed earthenware plate, a type of faience, produced at the Rouen Factory in France around 1775. At the center of the white-glazed plate, a yellow bird perches on a twisting branch above a strutting rooster rendered in vivid purple, brown, and green, while a large stylized flower in blue and yellow fills the left foreground and slender cypress-like trees rise in the background. The scalloped rim is decorated with alternating motifs of blue rococo scrollwork, pink carnations, and small green leaf clusters. The plate was made for table use during a period when French faience manufacturers were competing vigorously with imported Chinese porcelain and the newly dominant hard-paste porcelain factories of Germany, producing decorative wares for aristocratic and bourgeois households who desired colorful, painted ceramics. The Rouen Factory was one of France's most celebrated faience centers, and this plate exemplifies the chinoiserie-inflected naturalism that defined high-quality French tin-glazed ware in its final flourishing decades before industrial ceramics transformed the market entirely. This description was written by Claude Anthropic's AI, with narration by Kokoro text-to-speech.